guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Take a seat, let's learn together. So from the title, I'm sure you already have a clue of what I'll be doing, right? I know you do. So with this t-shirt, we're going to be creating a fire crop top for you to rock without sewing. Like you don't need to know how to sew, okay? So without much talking, let's just get into this video. So the first thing is we're gonna go ahead to draw a straight line. This line is gonna be as high as possible because we're trying to maximize our fabric. Okay, so we'll just go ahead to draw a straight line there. And I recommend that curvy thing because if you just give a straight line through, it's gonna be a bit hard to turn when you're turning it. You'll not be able to turn it so well. So I just recommend the curvy stuff there. so just do it. Don't ask me questions. Just do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to measure the length, measuring it to the length that I want. Okay, so you can anything you want. Okay, it's your choice. Whether you want it to stop your nipples, it's a choice. Okay, so just do you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to draw a straight line there. 2. Right, also I think we're done with this drawing. So I'm gonna go ahead to take my scissors and cut through that line there, the straight line. And then I'll go ahead to do the same thing to the up part where we also drew that line. Yeah, so just go ahead to cut that too. Please make sure your line is straight so you are not gonna have any difficulty. Alright. So yeah, I think we're done with this, people. Please remember not to throw away the other pieces of it left. We're gonna use it to create something, you know. So you just go ahead to turn the fabric down. Okay, this is my UHU gum. I'm gonna go ahead to use my UHU gum. If you have a fabric glue, it's still okay, but it actually takes a lot of time to dry, but it's still good. Okay, but UHU 2 is actually fast to dry, but it's perfect. So I'm just gonna glue it to the edge, and then I'm trying to make that place a bit comfortable. And then you have to make sure that the house you are creating for your elastic is gonna be enough for your elastic to fit in. You don't want something to be struggling inside your clothes, okay? So yeah, just gonna go ahead to do that throughout the downside. I'm applying it everywhere. And please remember to, oh, I forgot to say this, remember to always keep please don't forget to leave a gap. You can just use a piece of chalk to just keep it. Don't forget to leave a gap so you'll be able to put your elastic through, because if you don't leave a gap, man, I don't know, you're not gonna see space to work with. Okay, So just keep aside and leave a gap so you won't have to forget. So you have where you pass your elastic through. I hope you get that, right? Yeah, you should do. I know you do. So I'm just doing what I did in the downside. I'm just doing it on the shoulder level. Just the same thing. Everything. Just the same thing that I did down there. It's just the same thing I'm doing up here. Remember, don't forget to keep a gap, okay? So what I'm gonna be doing here, I actually made this video before now. So I'm gonna go ahead to measure my elastic. Okay, I'm measuring it. Okay, so you just have to measure with your waist what you want. So when I was okay, I just went ahead to get my scissors, and then I cut it and went with the side that was useful, and then I didn't throw away the other one. Just keep it, okay? Don't throw it away, just keep it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to get a safety pin and pin it in the edge of the elastic. So I'm gonna use it to control the elastic through the hole that was created from it. Through the hole that was created for it, okay? So we're gonna pass through that hole that we kept, okay? So don't forget to keep that hole. So what I'm doing now, I'm just guiding the elastic with the safety pin through it all. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm sorry if this video is a bit too lengthy, but I wanted it to be lengthy because I wanted it to be super what I do call it. I just wanted you all to understand. Like, I just wanted you all to understand. That's it. That's my main aim for making it this long. It's just like it would have been like a 5-minute video or something. So I'm done doing that. When you're done putting through, you're gonna go ahead to knot. Yeah, just go ahead to knot the elastic together and make sure it is so strong that it's not going to shift. When you're done, I'll get scissors and then cut the remains. You put it inside and then use your glue and glue that part that you didn't glue. Yeah. Doing this, you're going to have a lot of glue everywhere on your clothes, in your fingers, in your eyes, everywhere. But it happens. So I'm just gonna go ahead to do the same in the shoulder level. So I'm just doing the same thing in the shoulder level, just exactly what I just did. But I measured my elastic. Okay, you have to measure it to your shoulder, so you will not have to. I mean, your waist is not the same the same length with your shoulder, so of course I know what you should do. So I just did the same thing through. And then when I brought it back out, sorry, I was struggling in that place because the safety pin splitted, and you know how that feels. So just okay, when you bring that out, I'm gonna go ahead to just knot the two of them together, and then I'll just arrange it to make sure that no one has a problem, make sure that everybody is settled, no one is complaining. Just arrange the elastic very well so some won't be curvy. Know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just arranging everything to make sure everyone is settled, everyone is fine. So when I saw that everybody was fine, I went ahead to cut off the excess elastic, and then I tied the knot very well and put it inside. Then I went ahead to get my UHU gum to just gum that part through. That part that we left open for a purpose. Yeah. So yeah, you're gonna leave that for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, yeah. So this is our fire crop top. It's ready. It's so ready. You're ready to rock it. So let's see how it looks like on us. Because I can't wait to wear this out for real though. Whoa, this is what we have. This is how our crop top look like. Okay, and I cannot wait to throw a denim jacket on that. This is cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, as I'll be sharing hacks like this, tips like this that's gonna help you in your everyday beauty, lifestyle, fashion, DIY activities. So till next week Friday, don't forget to stay blessed and safe. Bye guys. Subscribe, okay? And please follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on TikTok. My handles are going to be on the screen, so you go check me out now. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you.